The Phantom Strike drone is a cutting-edge unmanned aerial vehicle capable of high-precision strikes and long-distance surveillance missions, with a range extending up to 10,000 km. Built for demanding, long-term operations, the Phantom represents a new generation of heavy-duty drones, combining advanced technology with unparalleled adaptability to tackle a wide range of military and tactical objectives. Whether for surveillance, reconnaissance, or precision strikes, this drone meets the needs of the most challenging missions. With a structural weight of 600 kilograms, the Phantom can carry an impressive payload of up to 500 kilograms, significantly expanding its functional applications. This allows it to transport specialized equipment, advanced weaponry, or surveillance tools depending on the mission's requirements. The total takeoff weight of 100 kilograms emphasizes its strong, reliable design, ideal for extended flights and international operations. Its 14-meter wingspan is key to achieving superior stability and maneuverability, enabling the Phantom to perform effectively even in adverse weather. One of the standout features of the Phantom is its altitude capability. The drone can ascend to altitudes of up to 6,000 meters, granting it the ability to operate out of range of many ground-based threats and making it especially suited for missions in contested or challenging environments. This altitude capacity enables international missions and deep-reaching operations while minimizing detection risks. Phantom's design incorporates high aerodynamic glide efficiency, which reduces power consumption during long flights. This efficiency allows for greater range, reduced fuel costs, and extended mission duration, making the Phantom a cost-effective choice for operators who need both endurance and stealth. Thanks to its integrated stealth technology, the Phantom can operate in areas where detection avoidance is crucial. Its sleek design helps it remain nearly invisible to standard detection systems, giving it a tactical advantage in sensitive operations where staying undetected is vital. The modular build of the Phantom enables easy reconfiguration, allowing it to be adapted to specific mission requirements by swapping out equipment and payloads. This flexibility makes it a versatile and invaluable platform for missions ranging from intelligence gathering to precision-targeted strikes, offering a dependable and multifunctional solution for modern operational challenges.